This video explains how to buy shares of SFL Corporation Ltd, ticker SFL, which is listed on NASDAQ. SFL operates in the maritime shipping and asset ownership sector, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will normally have to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SFL to find the company listing. Make sure to select the SFL entry listed on NASDAQ to reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information, market listing details, and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ listing to confirm you have the correct SFL share. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your SFL position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A sample eToro link is provided in the video description if you want to follow the steps shown.